Okay, so this is the current state of the game. Just trying to begin to piece together all the different pieces we have in our game. It's the UI piece that uh, Gary was working on and looks pretty good so far. Um, like functionally it works, which is great. I designed this little world. Whoa, that's some crazy snapping. I designed this world using Gaia and Gina from Procedural Worlds. I think their company name is Canopy. They have a really cool tool. What I did here is try to create a sense of like danger or coming danger, represented by these two skeleton heads. And when you approach this gate, when you go inside, there's a little bit of vignette that happens that kind of hopefully instills like a sense of danger. So we'll see here. There's a little vignette over there. I added in a chance to begin combat, which is what we're seeing now. We have to think about a clever way to do these transitions, but for now, this is what it looks like. Different skills. I don't remember how to trigger their UI like descriptor to pop up, but essentially they function like cards. You can basic attack, you can use a skill, skip or use items. What I'm going to do for my first skill is I will buff myself. And like a month ago, I added in so many different skills and rigged them up with animations, sound effects, particle effects, right times. It's a lot of work. I probably shouldn't have done all of that. I probably should have just done a few skills, but yeah, I put in all of it. So now I'm going to be using this. I need an indicator once I have that skill selected because it's just gone and it's not showing the player what they can do really. But that's on the back burner and that's gonna be in the game soon. So boom, I killed them all. I can return to my map, and I'm where I started the combat scene, which is exactly what I wanted. It's supposed to be a boss that you can fight. And then out here, there's an NPC here that will, take you to this boat, hopefully. Whoa. But yeah, that's kind of the general flow of the game. Um, we're also gonna have like maybe like jump quests in certain areas, and the game also has pets that you can tame that we saw in the combat. The little fox I had on my side, and the pets can also attack and use skills of their own, and um, the pets have different chances to use different skills based on the skill type. So, for example, if there are two or more enemies, and the pet has a skill that targets multiple enemies, they will more likely use that skill. Um, they might buff an ally. They might heal an ally if they're low. So there's these things that we've programmed the AI to do, um, to trigger at the correct times. And now I will go for a dive.